on, push the button.
Yeah, come on, push a button.
Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn button.
What's up, influential family? Welcome back to Cooking with Influential Talent. So tonight, as you can see, it's kind of getting late. Your girl is busy today, so I'm gonna try to do a quick version of a recipe I saw on Food Network, and it's pad thai. All right, so Jet Tila sort of gave the breakdown of the cook process, but I'm gonna change it up and make it my own way, make my own version as usual. And so I'm gonna use beef instead of the proteins that he used, and I'm also gonna use some, can you see that? I've got some noodles that are already ready to go, so I don't have to pre-soak noodles before I start the stir fry process, all right? And check it out. I bought this just for this dish, and it's a wok. High quality, paid a pretty penny for this. All right, so maybe your girl can get some tossing action in there. I don't know. I've never been good at that, but I might give it a few tries, but I'm not gonna sabotage the whole meal trying to be cute. All right, so I've got my wok, I got all my ingredients, and I'm ready to cook. Let's go. Okay, so check out my ingredients. Again, I have my noodles. I have a prepared pad thai sauce, and it has some of the key ingredients that go into a pad thai, such as tamarind. It's got cane sugar in there, and the red chili pepper, and I think a little garlic and shallots also. Yeah. All right, so I also have sriracha as suggested, garlic, bean sprouts. I've got onion, eggs, lime, and cilantro. Okay, and he suggested to use unsalted peanuts for this. These are what I like. This is what I have, and I'm jazzing it up a little bit, so I'm gonna use that, but I might just use them sparingly since they are salted. I don't want to mess up the flavor. Okay, so this is what I have, and I also have my beef. Alright guys, so this is gonna go pretty fast from here. I've got my olive oil, a couple tablespoons, and we're just gonna let that heat up. Alright, so the wok is nice and hot. My meat was a little juicy, so I'm gonna be careful here and try to see that. Okay, so my beef was really juicy, so I'm gonna let some of that cook down first, and get more brown. So we boiled down a lot of the juice, and look at that, beautiful. What do I always say? Brown is flavor, right? get her nice and cooked. And as you may have noticed, I haven't put any seasoning on this, so I'm not sure how much seasoning that sauce is gonna add. So once I get everything going, I'm gonna do a quick taste at the end, and I might add some extra salt and pepper. But we're gonna just see. Most likely it's gonna need it because we're adding bland noodles, all right? Oh, look at that beef. That's perfection right there. That's beautiful. Can you see it? There it is. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so let's whisk those eggs in now. We've got the garlic in there, and I added the garlic and herbs last on purpose so they don't burn, okay? So we're just stir frying this egg in. I've seen some recipes where they don't add any extra protein, they only have eggs. So, you know, egg is a key ingredient for this dish. So now it's gonna go quick. Ready? Let's get our noodles in there. We got 2 portions of noodles. Let me see how much that breaks down to. Woo! That might be enough right there. We're gonna put our onion in. You just fold it in, they say. Let those just kind of cook down. It looks good. I'm gonna give it a quick taste. Add a little garlic salt. Just a little bit, and we're about ready to plate, okay? Oh, that looks beautiful. You guys see that? Woo. More of these beans too. All right, I'm not gonna try to toss this. As you can see, it's pretty thick. I can't toss it. We'll save that. We'll put a pin in that for another day. All right.
button.
Yeah, come on, push a button.
What's the goddamn button?
Push a